Kasi 'di ba, since election time, campaign period time, 'di ba? So yung mga politicians, they were looking for platforms and venues by which they can say their platform,
Yes.
ano yung campaign nila, gano'n. Anong campaign nila, promises nila or mga gagawin nila. So they were on the lookout kung saan pwedeng magpa-interview, di ba? And one of the choices of the one senatorable which my source did not name was Ogie's yung YouTube channel niya
Yes. Oo.
na
Very popular.
oo na parang 3 million yata
It's a
yung
very popular YouTube channel.
million ng million ng subscribers. So they thought if it